Hi guys, Luke from MYPOS Connect here. We're going to go over the stock counts function in the MYPOS Connect portal. This function enables users to count stock levels either for all the products or by selecting a specific classification. Before reconciling the count, there's various reports that we have in the system to complement the stock counts function. I'll go over these a bit later. And once you've reconciled it, the system will automatically update the stock count. As well as counting via the portal, users can count via our Store Assist app. So to add a new one, you go to Inventory Management, down to Stock Counts. If a user is currently doing a stock count via the portal or via the Store Assist app, it will show here. Add a new stock count, click on Add New. Then you have to select the store. There's two different options here. You can either leave it as it is with please select and it will show all of the products within the system, or you can select specific classification, then it will just show the products within that classification. I'm going to leave it as please select, then you press add. So now it's showing all of the products within the system, and you would start to put them in here, and you can see when I put it in, it automatically saves it. If a user is counting the stock via the MYPOS Connect Store Assist app, you will automatically see the numbers here in real time. Let's just do a few more. And then at any time, if you want to take a break or if something else comes up, you click back to list and it's going to be saved here. So nothing is going to happen in the system until you click on reconcile. So let's go back. So you're happy with all the counts. You don't want to count everything. You just want to do a certain amount here. So don't worry about it being blank. You'll see this on the next page. So I'm going to click on reconcile. So if I click here, it will zero all the blank counts. But if I leave it blank, you can see if you do not check the above box, then a blank count will mean that the product is ignored. So that's what I want to do. Click on reconcile, and now all of the stock in the system will be updated to reflect the stock count. Earlier, I mentioned about various reports that complement the stock counts function. These reports, you can only view them if a stock count is live. So if I've reconciled the stock count here, the reports, they will be redundant. They're very important, especially if you're doing a large stock count, to take a break and go and check these reports. So I'm going to show you them now. You click on reports, go down to inventory reports. The first one that you've got is products counted. So you click there. It just gives you a list. Make sure you're in the correct store code. If you want to filter it by classification, you can. It will show you what you've counted so far. So this number here is a number that's been counted on the stock count either in the portal or via the Store Assist app. Another good report, if you go to inventory reports and then product difference. I've put on the stock count sheet some very obvious ones. For example, here I've put down the count as 5656, and then it's showing the difference. Okay, what it thinks and the difference. So this one is very important. If you're doing a large stock count, have a look at this before you click on reconcile. And the last report that is useful, go to inventory reports, scroll down, and then you've got stock count, products still to count. This will show you all of the products that you still need to count. So that is the stock counts function in the MYPOS Connect portal. If there's anything, any particular questions or anything you want to configure, please contact our support team and we'll be happy to assist.